And back with another video. So we're gonna go over Bitcoin. I'll also put in Dogecoin as well in here. We're gonna go over levels on Dogecoin. I'll also go over Ethereum as well, ETHUSD. Those will be the top three. We're gonna go over all key levels where I'm looking to buy, support level, resistance levels. We're also gonna go over the news, the BTC, Grayscale, the BTC trust fund, well, not the trust fund, the ETF, that kind of got some good news, but they still got a long way to go also. So we're going to go over that news. What kind of had Bitcoin push up a little bit this day right here as it had that push up. You just don't want to get too over excited about it because they still got a lot to go. It was a good push in the right direction of ETFs. We got ARK trying to get an ETF, BlackRock trying to get an ETF. And I feel like once one gets it, it's just going to be a domino effect and other companies are going to get it with big ETFs. And you got to understand, once there's ETFs actually exchanged on the market, there's going to be a lot of money going on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to go well over 100,000. When that is, we don't know, right? It could be pushed down. The judges can push it back. The courts can push it back a year from now. You just don't know, right? So my plan for now is just to slowly accumulate Bitcoin as it goes through, and maybe two other ones, maybe some altcoin and maybe Ethereum. Okay, so probably like my top three, but for now, my first one is Bitcoin because that's the one that's going to have the ETF first, going to get the approval first, and so forth. So let's get into levels. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys for being here. So I had all these levels on here, right? We had that support level, which held price up. Literally, it held there for almost a month, 2-3 weeks. It held right at the support level at 29,200. This is why I say never miss a video. And where did it hit resistance at? That 30,000 level I gave you guys. Hit resistance here, hit resistance here, hit resistance here. So it never broke support and it never broke resistance. So it was stalled. It was stalled out all the way from when we broke that resistance to the downside. It stalled out from July 18th all the way to about August 15th. So almost a month Bitcoin did nothing, and then we had what? That drop, right? So in here, I wasn't doing much. I had a buy area down here. See how many times it dipped in here? And then it tried to go up, but it never did, right? So I didn't buy down here. I actually did buy some Bitcoin in this area here for the long hold, right? Because I do believe it'll go well over 100,000 easy. So if you want to know when I buy and sell cryptos, make sure you join the team. We have the Elite that's going to open up September 11th. You get everything I buy on cryptos and everything I buy on stocks. Forex is coming soon, but Forex will be a whole different system. I can't wait to see what I got building up on Forex. But so we're going to go over all new levels on Bitcoin. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all this off. Let me put the ticker symbol back up here. So BTC USD. And let's turn this white, actually. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Make sure you guys don't forget to smash that like button. I'm going to start posting some crypto videos, okay? Just keep me accountable for it. Also, news. So, Grayscale. They recently scored a big win in its battle against the United States Secretary, the SEC. The Trust into Bitcoin's Exchange Fund ETF, the U.S. Appeals Court judge accepted Grayscale's argument that SEC's rejection of its recent ETF application was unfair. The SEC had alleged that the GBTC didn't have enough safe practices and fraud protection in place. So basically, the SEC needs to come up with some more information of why they believe a lot of fraud will happen or so forth. If they don't, seems like it might get pushed. So they did give the green light for the request for a second review. We'll kind of see how that pushes out, but that's some of the news that kind of came in. Now let's go over the levels on BTC USD, okay? So we're going to go over some nice simple levels, nothing too crazy. The first support level is 25,500. 25,500 is a support level that I'm going to have on here for now. Like I said, this can change, but as Bitcoin is moving, as news starts to come out, you really want to see when Bitcoin does that U-turn of a reversal, because that's when you're really going to want to start going heavy. And I think Bitcoin could have a big push. Of course, none of this financial advice. So we have support here. If Bitcoin breaks that support, I do believe Bitcoin will go all the way down here to 23,000. So we'll put this as our buying level down here. This is probably when I'll buy a little bit more of Bitcoin, because remember, I want to slowly accumulate some shares. So let's turn that green. So we have a resistance level above us as well. We'll put around 27,000 as a resistance level on Bitcoin. So we can write that out, 27,000 as a resistance area. Let's see how that acts. So for now, these are our concurrent levels. I already bought a little bit in here, so I'm kind of just waiting. If it breaks the support area on the downside, then I'll be waiting for around 23 to buy more. If we start to break this resistance with a lot of with a lot of buying pressure, then I'll buy more up here, right? So we kind of just got to wait to see what kind of happens on Bitcoin and how it decides to move out of here. With Ethereum, ticker symbol ETHUSD. Support is still at 1580. We're going to take this resistance off. We're going to put it up a little bit to about 1700. But these are the levels on Ethereum. I'm looking to accumulate some more Ethereum as well. If we break this support, we'll probably go down to about 1500 on Ethereum, which is probably the next support area. So we can turn that blue. And this is Ethereum ETH So I'll put 1500 right there. And that's pretty much it for Ethereum. Right now, there's a lot of waiting going on in the crypto market, but it doesn't mean we can't slowly accumulate just a little bit at a time, right? Nothing too crazy, but you just don't want to miss that big run whenever that big run does come. And you don't want to be trying to buy it at higher prices when you could have been accumulating on the lower prices. Remember, you make the money on the lower buys. So these are the current levels for Ethereum. And then for Dogecoin, we'll go over a couple levels on Dogecoin. We're going to move support DOGUSD. Make sure you guys don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you are new. We're going to put support down here at about 6 cents even. That would be our support on Dogecoin. And for resistance level, we're going to take it off because there is no clear resistance level. We're going to take the target level off as well. I am looking to play Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin would have a nice run, especially if it gets put in on X, which is Twitter, for like payment systems and stuff, but we're not sure on that one. But so far, I'll just watch the support level at 0.6. Look how simple this is. That's the only thing I'm watching. If it breaks, we're probably going to have more crash down. If it kind of holds, maybe we'll see some uprise. But I really don't want to buy any more Dogecoin until we break like this resistance level up here. I'll go ahead and put it here for now, 0 right here. Okay, so kind of watch these areas and these levels for now. I'll update you guys as I see fit. Thank you guys for watching. Always remember, no recommendation to buy or sell anything, just for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.